Welcome back to our channel. How's everybody doing today on this wonderful Wednesday? Wonderful Wednesday. It's a good day to take care of yourself, do the right thing, love yourself so that you will love others. When they go high, we go higher in love, okay? That's what we do. So anyway, guys, I brought y'all here today because I'm just going to show y'all some stuff I'm doing in the house today. I'm trying to get rid of some more stuff, pare down a little bit, littler things, and keep more bigger things. So I'm gonna show you the first thing I did do today. I did get a chance to redo. I'll show you guys. The old plant, I had 2 fiddle leaf figs. So what I did was I just put one in the other pot. So this is what it looks like. I end up putting the smaller one into this one. So now it's a little bit fuller, as you can see. And I'm gonna go in the bathroom and I'm gonna show y'all what I'm gonna get rid of, because y'all already know I don't like fake flowers. I really don't like fake, I'm gonna not say fake flowers. I guess that would be a fake flower. So this here is a fake flower. So I'm gonna be letting go of this. I'm gonna gift it to somebody, but I'm not sure. I'm gonna see if my daughter's friends want it. It's so pretty. Y'all remember when I think it was gray and I actually spray painted it. So I don't want it anymore because it is not a real plant or a real flower. So I'm gonna have to part with it. And then I am gonna also part, let me put y'all down somewhere. I'm gonna also part, hopefully y'all could stay in lens with me. I'm also gonna part with this here because it's just not, it's not, y'all. It's not doing anything for me. It's pretty. Don't get me wrong, it's really, really pretty. But I'm gonna keep the eucalyptus, but I'm gonna get rid of this. This is a small vase, and I'm quite sure someone would be happy to have it. I'm not afraid to share and give things back. I know I paid $2 for this vase, and I think I paid $2 or $4 for the what is this flower? Is that orchid? But I'm just not feeling it. So what my plans are to do is, let me see, y'all. I got y'all all over the place. What my plans are is to put, I'll show you guys. I'm gonna put this inside the top of here, and then I'm probably going to get me I think I want a Sansevieria here in the bathroom, because they don't have to have a lot of light. So I think that's what I'm gonna end up doing, is placing a Sansevieria in here. We do have a window in here, but it has been covered up, so we're going to try to take the window out and redo it ourselves. So for right now, I'm just going to leave this in here, and I think it looks well. I don't know about nobody else, but it's going to have to do for now, because I can always put a ZZ plant in here. It does well without any light. I could do that, and I think that's it in here. So I have 2 items so far that's gonna go, and that is these 2 babies right here. So yeah, y'all just keep it moving. And another thing I wanted to discuss with you guys, I am going to go ahead and put the chairs on offer up, because I just feel like I need to get it out of the way so I can go ahead and put these I feel like I need to get them out the way on that app and post it, so that way I can put the 2 chairs in here and style them. It's just going to be the 2 chairs right now, and it's okay. I do believe that I will eventually find them. Even if I find chairs that are darker color, that color, I will still get them. I will still do the 4 in here. And that way, these chairs here are more bigger and bulkier. Mid-century modern furniture is not big and bulky, so yeah, I'm going to get that out of the way today. I'm going to attempt to put them on offer up today. I'm going to start with the 2 And then I'm gonna put the other one here in the bedroom, so I can have like a little reading nest area or whatever. And if they sell well, then I'll probably take the other one and put it on there too. So we'll see. But these two things right here are gonna go. And like I said, I'm gonna keep the eucalyptus. Okay. So that is what I'm doing right now, y'all. Is getting paring down things and bless somebody else's home with some nice gifts. And I'm trying to think what else. I'm gonna throw in a clip of the pants that I bought yesterday to try those on. So hopefully they'll fit. My girlfriend, she's so silly. She said, she was like, oh no, you're too tiny. You get the 6 and I get the 8, because I got the 8 first. So she bought the 8 and I got the 6. And she said, if the 6 is too small, then she will switch with me. But I'm like, what are you gonna have? What are you gonna wear? So that was funny. But anyway, guys, in the next clip, we're gonna start we're gonna style the Barcart. Wait, I'm gonna show y'all. Because I ain't got a lot of, I don't have a lot of stuff. So this is everything that I have here. I have these out of the cabinet. I have these 4, just little stuff. And this was on top of the fridge. So I'm just gonna style it with those things. Y'all let me know in the comments what y'all think. And yeah, I'm not really doing too much today. Like I said, I'm gonna hurry up and do this. My intentions are to put those chairs on offer up today. Hopefully it goes well. And I'm trying to think, what else is it that I have to, I don't think I have anything else, y'all, but stay tuned for the next part of the video. All right, guys. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I will see you all in the next video. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye. Love you guys.